What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube. Just my thoughts and opinions, guys, that's all it is, and just basically what's happening in the car community. And on today's episode or video, whatever you want to call it, might be a bit controversial. I just said I'd make a video about it. Basically, my picks for the failing car channels of 2021, since we're in December. And look, guys, again, if you support these channels, I'm not taking a bash at them. Maybe one or two I might, because they deserve it, but I'll try not I'll try not to be too much of a prick, as they say. So yeah, you've probably seen the title, probably wondering what's going on. If you're new, guys, to the channel, as I said, we're here to discuss in the comments below whatever I bring up. So that's all it is, just my thoughts and opinions. If you like it, please do smash the subscribe button and the like button. Do get involved. I do read your comments below and I do reply to them, and I might even bring your comments up in a future video as well. And also, guys, one last thing as well, I have made a second channel. If you want to check it out, it's in the description below. All it is basically is just me putting together reactor videos, people that react to movie clips, gaming clips, stuff like that. I just like doing it because I'm into that kind of stuff. So it'd be great if you want to support that second channel below. If it's something you're into, please do click on it, check it out, and subscribe and like that kind of stuff as well. So we're going to kick it off, and for a disclaimer, guys, I'm gonna call this straight out. I can't talk when I say this, right? I know, and also I know I need to slow down my accent for people. I have gotten one or two people saying that I talk too fast. I'm Irish. It's just the way we talk. I'll try and make my pronunciations and my speech and everything else a lot slower for you guys in North America. But as I said, I cannot talk. I've failed as a channel this year. I disappeared for 2 months, and now I'm back posting. I was aiming for 2,000 subs at the end of the year. I don't get the views I should be getting, and I will admit I'm a failed channel, so I will put myself on this list. But the one thing I don't try and do is clickbait, lie, fake my way to whatever I'm going. I've always been honest and transparent with these guys. The goal for this channel is to get a project car at the end of the day, and to just get as big as we can and just modify cars and make you involved. That's always been the goal, and just be transparent with you all the way through. And so we're going to kick off the list because I don't want to try and go on too long. So obviously the first one, these are in no particular order. These are just, I'm not saying this is 1 through 5 or who's at the top, whatever. It's not, it's just whatever it is. But first on my list, obviously, is going to be Mr. Organik. He has to be, because you look at his page and 312 subscribers, which are obviously bought for, I don't care what anybody says. He was at like 212 a year ago. There's no way you have 312 subscribers and you're getting the same view. Like you go up 100,000 subscribers and your views are even lower or stay the same as the year before. Look, it is just a fake. He's just a fake. It's like, obviously he's got money. Where he gets it from, don't know. Maybe merch. Obviously the best person, if you want to, delve into this kind of stuff, is Ice Cream Vlogs. Ice Cream Vlogs is the guy that unravels all this stuff. I love watching Ice Cream Vlogs. Shout out to his channel. He's the one that points out and finds all these things. Mr. Organik's merch is fake. Buys it off probably Alibaba and sells it for a fee. His book is fake. It's on Amazon, absolute BS. Obviously he's getting his money from somewhere. Is it crypto? Meh, I don't know. That's a debatable one. I'd say I know a bit more about crypto than he does. I'm not saying I know a lot about it, but I just don't know where he's getting his money from. But at the end of the day, having 312,000 subscribers and these kind of views, it's complete horseshit. It's just terrible. And it's all clickbait. Clickbait. That's all it is. And that's all it's going to be going forward with him. I don't think anyone would care if his channel got shut down or if it just crashed and burned, really. I really wouldn't. He just needs to change it up and stop lying all the time and faking about being rich and his rented Malibu mansion that he does not own, that he said he bought for 5 million. So that is definitely total BS on that part as well. But it just annoys me that channels like this, he's not even a car channel. I wouldn't even count him as one. But yeah, just that's my number one. That's who I think. Second on the list is going to be his partner in crime, Tall Guy Car Reviews. Another one who's just gone off the rails. Tall Guy actually used to be good up to like just over a year ago. And ever since he got married, Love and Slim, I don't think he's cared about the channel anymore. And it's just repetitive garbage all the time. Like, for fuck's sake, like, it's just anything to do with cops. The titles are lazy. Just like his views, like for somebody who has 862,000 subscribers, he's getting like ridiculously bad views. I mean, it's so bad. Just in my eyes, like, you know, he's ran out of ideas, same shit all the time. Even like as Ice Cream Vlogs pointed out, if you go into his comment section, people are just commenting and saying how bad his videos are, just repeating shit, clickbait to the last, just nothing to do with really anything there. I mean, another channel that just needs to die off and be done with. I don't watch Organik or Tall Guy anymore. I mean, look, if you watch them, you know, that's your own thing. Like, you know, I just feel like if you have that many subscribers, you know, they're going to waste, and you're barely even scraping up, not even over 100,000 views in the last, you know, 2 weeks. It's shocking, and he's definitely on my list for a failed car channel in 2021. Next up, guys, is going to be, we all know this one's going to be in the list, is vehicle versions. So good old Parker vehicle versions. Yeah, I mean, talk about having over 2 million subscribers, getting a 400, 500,000 views a video, you know, going down in flames, as they say, and now, you know, averaging out maybe 30,000, maybe even less, 25,000 a video. That is insane. I mean, I think he genuinely realised how much he fucked up when he called out Stradman, DD and all the rest of them. And he realised he burnt his channel down to the ground when he went on that rant. And he's been trying really hard to get his channel back up and running. And it hasn't worked. And if you check out my other videos on vehicle versions, I've always said it, like, he needs to go back modifying cars, and he needs to go back doing collabs. These reviews, he's doing the same thing over and over again. It's just not working for him. I mean, even Ice Cream Vlogs has said it as well. Like, you know, we're very similar in what I think as channels, what we think about these other kind of car channels. But I mean, you tell me below what you think of Vehicle Versions channel. Do you think he's going to make it back, or do you think he's dead and buried? I personally feel the thing that's holding him back is he stopped modifying cars, stopped doing power upgrades. All he's doing is reviews, and they're getting him nowhere. And I just feel like he's pissing against the wind at this stage. Like his latest video, Meet the 2 Million Ferrari Daytona SP3. I mean, that was a massive thing for a lot of channels to bring that out, and a lot of channels were getting well over 150, 250, 300,000 views over this car because it was so stunning. He's only after getting 18,000 views. You know, I really can't see, unless he comes up with something fresh for 2022, he's just literally he's screwed, in my opinion. And I feel bad for him because I actually, you can see he's trying to turn things around and get the channel back going again, but without the collabs and without the modifications and without the vlogs, I don't think people are going to find, like, there's just too many good car reviewers out there these days that are way better, they're way ahead of Parker now, and he just needs to realise, unless he goes back doing the mods and the vlogs, his channel isn't going to go anywhere, and he's just, for me, he's done for, and I don't know how long he'll last out. But interesting to hear your thoughts and opinions below, guys. Next up on the list, I think a few UK people are not going to be happy with me calling this one out, but Supercars London is definitely another one for me. Nothing against Paul at all, nothing against it, just I'm only going by his views versus his subscribers. And I used to watch a lot of his videos, and then I started reading the comments, and people were getting so pissed with him just because it was, again, all he cared about was pushing out the sponsors for finance, The builds, like he downgraded in cars, just his videos, they're saying were lazy, just the content was lazy, and he basically hasn't been going anywhere. The GTR, I think people are sick of the GTR content, and his views are shocking. Like they're down by like vehicle versions and organics views. For a person that has nearly 900,000 subscribers, he's getting no views, and you wonder where this channel is going to go. I have no idea. Like, I mean, it's just kind of what can you do kind of thing with this channel, and where can you go. I just don't know about Paul's channel. I don't know why people don't watch him anymore. Maybe I think just because he hasn't really brought anything new to the channel, and it seems to be a lot of repeated content. But I suppose there's only so much you could do as a car channel. You're either reviewing the cars, you're either buying them and modifying them, or you're vlogging, or you're going traveling, or whatever you're doing, but you're always going to be doing the same stuff other people have done on YouTube. It's how you bring the content out and tell the story and stuff like that. That's a big thing. And Paul, I just don't know. I just don't know what happens with this channel. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, guys. What you would like Paul to do to improve the channel, or do you think it's doomed? It's up to you. I just said I'd bring it to your attention. Last up then, guys, is going to be basically wrapping 2 channels into one, because I had to come up with 5 channels and I'm pretty sure they have failed. But Mandy and Gigi. Now, I love Mandy, love Gigi. Like, they are great people, and when they do make videos, they're brilliant. But we all know Mandy has just given up on his channel because he's so concentrating on the he's money, right? He's rich. Gigi's rich. They all have money. It's just very, very frustrating when you have channels like me or smaller channels that really don't even have a car to have on their channel, to try and build up their channel, and they have subscribers and they have a platform to actually make their channel massive, but they just don't do it. And they just, I understand Mandy is just busy with building up these new businesses and stuff, but you just feel like you're letting your subscribers down by just fucking everything away and just like not posting anymore. It's very frustrating. Like, once a week be fine. But it's the same for Gigi. She's a great platform, a great 720. She does good vlogs, and she just doesn't bother posting anymore. I just don't like that as a subscriber. I feel like they've really failed in 2021 for just not, but they probably, look, they're rich, they don't care, and they really don't probably give a shit that they aren't worried about their YouTube channels because they have better things to be doing. But I just said I put them into the list because I feel like they could have done something great with their channels, but they've really failed, as in they just don't post anymore, and they just didn't bother, and they just stopped with the views and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the list. I'm sorry if I ranted on too long. Hopefully you understood everything I said. I apologize if you haven't. Not much I can do about it. But yeah, again, guys, please do check out the channel, and please do comment below and get involved. Smash that subscribe button and the like button. Like this as much as you can, guys. I mean, the higher the likes go up, the more people see this video and see the channel, and just gets more people interacting and have a conversation, discussion in the comments below. So guys, until then, I suppose we'll have a video out tomorrow. Yeah, that'll be it for today. So until tomorrow's video, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.